A walk-in shower can be a beautiful and functional feature in your Pascagoula home, providing a luxurious and convenient space for daily bathing. However, just like any other area of your home, your walk-in shower requires regular maintenance and cleaning to ensure it remains in top condition for years to come. The humid coastal climate in Pascagoula, with its saltwater and moisture, can make it more prone to buildup like soap scum, water stains, and mold. But don't worry, keeping your walk-in shower clean and well-maintained doesn't have to be a chore. With a few simple steps, you can preserve the beauty and functionality of your shower. Here are some effective tips for cleaning and maintaining your walk-in shower in Pascagoula. Regular cleaning to prevent buildup. One of the best ways to keep your walk-in shower in top condition is through regular cleaning. If you wait too long between cleanings, soap scum, mildew, and mineral deposits can build up, making it harder to remove stains and grime. A simple cleaning routine that you follow after every shower can make a huge difference. After each use, wipe down the walls, glass, and tiles with a squeegee or microfiber cloth. This helps to remove excess water and prevents water spots from forming. Keeping the surfaces dry after each use can significantly reduce the amount of soap scum and mineral deposits that accumulate, making deeper cleanings less frequent. Use the right cleaning products. When cleaning your walk-in shower, it's important to use the right products to avoid damaging your tiles, grout, and glass surfaces. Avoid harsh, abrasive cleaners that can scratch and dull surfaces over time. Instead, opt for mild cleaning solutions designed specifically for bathroom surfaces. For tiles and grout, a non-abrasive cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water can help to break down soap scum and dirt. If you're dealing with tough stains, you can use a grout cleaner that's safe for your type of tiles. Be sure to read the labels of the products you use and ensure they are suitable for the materials in your walk-in shower. For glass shower doors, a glass cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water works well to remove water stains, soap scum, and any other residue that may accumulate. Make sure to clean the glass thoroughly to prevent the buildup of hard water stains, which are more common in coastal areas like Pascagoula. Prevent mold and mildew growth. The humid climate in Pascagoula can lead to mold and mildew growth in areas of your walk-in shower that don't get enough airflow or dry out completely. This is particularly true in the corners of the shower and on the grout lines. Mold and mildew not only look unsightly but can also pose health risks. To prevent mold and mildew, it's important to address areas with high moisture. Ensure that your bathroom is properly ventilated by using an exhaust fan, opening a window, or leaving the door ajar while showering to allow moisture to escape. If mold or mildew does start to form, treat it immediately using a mixture of water and white vinegar or a commercial mold remover. Scrub the affected areas with a soft brush or sponge and rinse thoroughly. You can also apply a mold-resistant sealant to your grout lines to create an extra layer of protection against moisture buildup. Regularly clean the shower floor and drain. Your walk-in shower floor can accumulate soap scum, dirt, and grime over time, especially if you have a textured or tiled surface. Clean the shower floor at least once a week to prevent buildup. Use a non-abrasive cleaner and scrub the floor gently with a brush to remove any debris. Additionally, it's important to keep the shower drain clean and free from hair and soap buildup. Over time, clogged drains can lead to slow drainage and standing water, which can contribute to the growth of bacteria or mold. To prevent this, clean the drain regularly by removing any visible debris, and consider using a drain cover to catch hair and other particles before they clog the pipes. Inspect and maintain grout and seals. Your walk-in shower's grout and seals play an important role in keeping water from seeping behind the tiles and causing damage. Over time, grout can become cracked or discolored, and seals around the edges of the shower may start to deteriorate. It's important to inspect your grout and seals regularly for any signs of damage. If you notice any cracks in the grout, it's best to reseal the grout or replace it to prevent water damage. You can use a grout sealer after cleaning to create a protective layer, making it easier to clean and reducing the likelihood of mold growth. Additionally, check the seals around the shower doors or edges for wear and replace them if necessary to keep the shower watertight. Deep cleaning every few months. While regular cleaning will keep your walk-in shower in good shape, it's also a good idea to do a more thorough deep clean every couple of months. This involves scrubbing every corner and crevice of the shower, paying special attention to areas where buildup is more likely to occur, such as grout lines, tile edges, and behind shower doors. To deep clean your shower, start by removing any soap scum or mineral deposits with a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. Apply the paste to the surfaces, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a soft brush. For any persistent stains, consider using a commercial bathroom cleaner. After cleaning, rinse the entire shower thoroughly and dry it to prevent water spots. Keep it dry after use. One of the simplest ways to maintain your walk-in shower is to keep it dry after each use. Make it a habit to wipe down the walls and floor with a towel or squeegee after every shower. This prevents the accumulation of water spots, soap scum, and mold while also ensuring that moisture doesn't sit in corners or grout lines, where it can lead to mold or mildew growth. Conclusion: maintaining and cleaning your walk-in shower in Pascagoula is essential to keeping it in good condition and prolonging its life. Regular cleaning, proper ventilation, and preventive maintenance will help you maintain a sparkling, functional shower that's a pleasure to use. By following these simple tips, you can keep your walk-in shower free from mold, grime, and wear, ensuring it remains a clean and inviting space for years to come.